Esther chapter 3. After them thing ya, King Xerxes give Haman the Agagite one bigger position. Him put him higher than all of the other top man them. Haman did Amidata boy picnic, and every one of the king's servant them, where they dare the king gate, bow down and show Haman respect. This is what the king order them fi do. But Mordecai decide say, him nah bow. Then the king's servant them where they the king gate said to Mordecai say, what make you nah do what the king tell we fi do? Every single day them talk to him about it, but him still no pay them no mind. So them tell Haman fi see what him woulda do about it. Cause Mordecai tell them say him a want Jew. And when Haman see say Mordecai nah show no respect and nah bow down to him vex till him nearly bust. But when him find out say Mordecai did want Jew, him make up him mind say, I know Mordecai one him a go deal with. No, him decide say him a go kill off every last one of Mordecai people them were in a Xerxes kingdom. No, I did 12 years since King Xerxes did a rule. In the first month, when named Nisan, them draw straw, what them call per, fi decide which day Haman fi carry out him plan against the Jew them. And the month of Adar get pick. Then Haman said to King Xerxes say, you have some people you see, king, where they about in all of the region them in your kingdom. Fi them law different from the other people them law. And them nah follow the king law them. So it no good for the king put up with them no longer. If it alright with you, my king, make one law fi kill off all of them. And me will pay 750,000 pounds of silver over to the people them were in charge of the king business. So them can put it in the king treasure room. So the king take off him ring with the stamp, we use to make orders official, and him give it to Haman the Agagite, Amidata boy Pitney, the Jew them enemy. And the king said to Haman, do what you want to do with the money and the people them. Then upon the 13th day of the first month, them call in the king's secretary them for write down everything with Haman order. The letter did fi send out to all of the top official them for the different set of people in all of the region them. And then did fi write the letter in the people them own language and them own writing, based upon the region where them dey. And them sign it in a King Xerxes name and stamp it with the king ring. Them send out the messenger them fi go with the letter to all of the region them. The letter say them fi wipe out, tear down and kill off all of the Jew them, old and young, woman and pickiny, and take away all of what them have. Pan the 13th day of Adar, the 12th month. The letter did fi put up all over the region them, and them did fi ball it out in the town so the people can ready up themselves fi die. So the messenger them put up the letter quick and ball it out in the army base of Susa. Then the king and Haman sit down fi drink. But the people them in Susa did well confused with the order where the king give.